The King's School in Canterbury is the UK's oldest educational establishment, opening in 597 AD. Keeping up with the times, the school is seeking to decarbonise its operations. It's turned to solar power and smart energy innovators SNRG for a solution. An integrated renewable energy system is being designed, funded, installed and operated by SNRG. This solution offers the option of adding battery storage and EV chargers in the future. SNRG were the ideal partners because of the company's strong track record of designing and optimising smart renewable energy systems which overcome complexities. At King's School, challenges have included installing solar systems on listed buildings in multiple locations across the Canterbury campus. The Malthouse Theatre, the King's School Sports Centre and Junior King Sports Hall will be the first of the school's buildings to benefit from cleaner, cheaper power. 474.3 kilowatt peak of solar PV is being deployed across the three sites. This will offset 215,303 kilograms in CO2 emissions per year and deliver predicted savings of £1.8 million over 25 years.